Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to Technic Force. If you love going live on YouTube, this is a big one. YouTube just dropped a massive update for live streamers and it's packed with brand new tools to help you create, connect, and earn more. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find this new live update inside YouTube Studio, what's new, and how to use these features step by step, including how to stream across formats, create shorts from your live streams, and even react live to other creators. So grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's jump straight in. Alright, so first things first, let's open YouTube Studio. Once you're on your channel dashboard, scroll down a little bit until you see the section called News. The headline says, Brand new live features are here. So this is YouTube's official announcement section, and whenever you see something like this, it means new features have just gone live or are rolling out soon to all creators. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. These cards usually appear gradually depending on your region and account eligibility. Now let's click Learn More to explore what's inside. Once you click Learn More, YouTube takes you to the official update page. So here's the breakdown of what's new. First, YouTube is introducing cross format streaming, meaning you can now go live in different video formats like vertical for shorts or horizontal for your usual live streams. Second, you can now create shorts directly from your live streams, which is perfect for turning your best live moments into quick viral clips. Third, a brand new feature called React Live is coming. This lets you react to other creators' live streams in real time, kind of like TikTok's live reactions or Twitch collabs. And finally, YouTube is improving monetization options for live creators, including super chats, stickers, and possibly live gifts in the near future. Now that we know what's coming, let's go hands on and test these new tools inside YouTube Studio. So, back in YouTube Studio, click the Create button in the top right corner, select Go Live. This opens the new live control room. So right away you'll notice YouTube has updated the interface to make it easier to switch between stream formats. So put in your title, so maybe we'll just call this stream for now. Then you would want to put in your description as well. So you have one right here, and then you want to select these kinds of things, right? You want to upload a thumbnail, and note that for a live stream, you can only upload one thumbnail versus a YouTube upload standard upload. So you could add this to a playlist, select who your audience is for. So all of those things you're going to want to do in the details section. Then you go to monetization. So turn on the monetization and then you go to these customization settings. So this is where you'll enable if you want live chat or not. Also, this participate mode is kind of important. Who do you want to be able to send messages and participate during your live stream? And you can select anyone. Then there's just a few other things you can do. So you can add a message delay. So this means people can't like spam the chat so much. This will delay their comments every 60 seconds, which just can be helpful. Sometimes you could add slow mode if you wanted to. You could also redirect. So you could also add a trailer so that people can watch a little trailer to your live stream before you actually go live. And then here's where you can check your visibility mode. So we'll just keep it on private so we can test some of our settings. After you hit done, this is where you'll see a little stream preview where you'll be able to double check any of your settings. If you want to adjust any of this, like the title of your privacy, you can adjust that. And this is where you will also select our camera. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. You can now set up your stream as horizontal, great for gaming or tutorials, or you can go vertical, which is perfect for mobile live streaming and short style broadcast. So this means you can go live directly in vertical mode for short form content, and YouTube will automatically optimize your stream for that layout. If your creator loves both long form and short content, this update is going to save you a ton of time. You can also go preview your stream layout, customize your titles and tags, and set your privacy before you go live. Just like before, but now with more flexibility. Once you go live, on the right side, so down here you have membership gifting. You can buy memberships for your viewers. And the next is how you can engage with your audience. So you can start a Q&A, start a poll, and the next one is the new feature which is members only live stream. So, YouTube is rolling out a new feature that allows channel membership creators to easily transition from public to members only live streams without disruptions. So, this makes it easy to create premium, members only content while strengthening your community and attracting new paid members. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting parts, turning live streams into shorts. So the engagement doesn't have to stop when you go offline. AI powered highlights turn live content into lasting content. So it finds the most compelling moments from the live stream and automatically creates ready to share shorts. So it's still rolling out. I myself don't have access to it yet. So this is a game changer because it means your live content keeps generating engagement and views even after the broadcast ends. So next up, YouTube is adding something called React Live. So this feature lets you go live and react to another creator's stream in real time. Perfect for doing live collaborations, reaction videos, or community events. It's still rolling out, so some accounts might not have it yet, but once it's available, you'll see a new React option in your Go Live panel or when watching another live stream. And of course, YouTube didn't forget about monetization. If your channel is part of the YouTube Premium program, you can now earn more during live streams through super chats and super stickers, channel memberships, and soon live gifts. All of this is part of YouTube's push to help live creators build sustainable income directly from their audiences. So if you're eligible, definitely go live more often and experiment with these features. Your viewers can now support you in real time. And that's the full breakdown of YouTube's brand new live update. We've got new streaming formats, shorts from lives, live reactions, and better monetization, all designed to help creators grow faster and earn more. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time.
Introducing Livecaster 24/7, the ultimate video traffic boost. Multiply your organic reach and audience with live, dynamic video programming. Live stream from most any social media platform and multiple your reach up to 10 times with Livecaster 24/7. Supercharge your marketing reach with Livecaster 24/7's powerful features. We got a 3 times boost in reach from live streaming. Social Baker reports 92% extra reach for live videos, and reach tests just 48 hours after publishing. Live videos have the most reach among all the video formats on social. Live stream pre-recorded videos and show your best content to the world. Go live on any platform, Livecaster 24/7 makes it easy. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, Amazon, LinkedIn, Kick, Twitch, Stream, Rumble, and the rest of them. Content creators get a reach boost and get more viewers for your existing content. E-commerce marketers sell anything better with live videos. Grab the top spots on news feeds and search results effortlessly. Leave your competition in the dust with a live streaming reach boost. Livecast multiple videos simultaneously on multiple platforms. Schedule your livecasts. Go live even when you're sleeping. Create live stream channels. Live stream long videos without limitations. Live stream multiple videos in a queue using our streams feature. Live loop technology loops your livecast for an unending live stream. Supports HT and high quality livecasts. Supports all popular video formats. Download YouTube videos for streaming. Detailed reporting and fail-safe mechanisms. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Livecaster 24/7 now. Just go to livecaster.in.